Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ram 1500 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. A new bulb, a screwdriver, and some gloves to protect the bulb. Always ensure your truck is off and the engine is cool before starting. It's also a good idea to consult your owner's manual for the exact bulb type and any model-specific instructions. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll need to locate and remove the retaining bolts or clips that secure the headlight assembly to the vehicle frame. Once these are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. This will give you enough room to access the back of the bulb. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing its release tab. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Depending on your Ram 1500 model, you'll either twist or unclip the old bulb to remove it from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Once the new bulb is securely in place, firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it seats properly. Reinstall all the retaining bolts or clips you removed earlier to secure it firmly. Before you hit the road, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.